Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and one of my viewers said, hey, on this print, could you show us what it looks like when you print it and how to cut the pieces off? So my friends, I ran it through the A10M yesterday, printed in white. Let's take a look at what it looks like when I snip off the little supports. Alright, so first things first, let's remember, I print these for my students in my class. They're not really on my list of things I want. So I printed 0.3mm layers, and I'm not really aiming for perfection. I'm just showing them how they can turn out. And you can see I've got a tiny bit of stringing here with the A10M, but I'm generally pretty pleased with how she turned out, especially when you look at this side. I'm especially pleased with this chin here, because when you saw it in Mesh Mixer, it looked like it was going to be a problem, and it turned out pretty good. So, to remove the supports, I simply use these little clippers, and sometimes you clip them, sometimes you just bend them off. So like back here on the bow ties, I'm pretty nervous, or on the bows, so I'm going to clip those, and then once that's removed, you can just wiggle them and pull them apart. Turned out just perfect. Fingertips, I'm worried about these two, so I'm going to just snip underneath. Then once that's done, it's sturdy. Those can just easily be removed. And then up here at the hand elbow, I'm going to snip this one on the top of the hand. I'll snip this one by your neck. And they just simply twist off before revealing our final print. Alright friends, so there she is with all the little pieces clipped off. Remember, she is pretty tiny, 0.3mm, because I'm in a hurry always when I print these. And that's how she turns out using those sweet little Mesh Mixer supports. Alrighty friends, well first things first, I want to send a shout out to Joseph Larson. Thanks so much for adding the comments so that I know what you want. That helps me a ton, and it's really fun for me to go back and look at things that I made before. If you haven't seen the video about the Mesh Mixer supports, I will put that up here so you can click the info and you can click the link to get to it. And of course my friends, if you found the video useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.